मणिपुर स्टेट में कुछ महीने पहले 2 औरतों के साथ जो बुरा बर्ताव किया गया या फिर बलात्कार किया गया था, इस मामले को लेकर ओम्पी ब्लॉक के अंदर तुइदू में रहने वाले भाई और बहनें एक साथ सभी तिप्रा मोता के एमएलए द्वारा बड़ा मिছিল या फिर रैली किया गया। उस मणिपुर में बलात्कार जिसके साथ हुआ था उसे जस्टिस के लिए, उसे न्याय मिलने के लिए।
Biren Singh, hi, 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 hi. Biren Singh, hi, 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 hi. Sudi Sarkar, hi, 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 hi. Manipur Sarkar, hi, 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 hi. Manipur Sarkar, hi, 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 hi. Hi, 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 hi.
First of all, I would like to thank our media friends. I would like to thank the TWF. Today's Masal rally is being conducted by actually TWF, Tipra Women's Federation, the wings of Tipra Motha Party. So being an MLA, I'm present here today and at Twidu Bazar. Just right now we are in Twidu Bazar. On behalf of my constituency, on behalf of my Tipra Motha Party, I strongly condemn the government of Manipur that they have failed to govern their state properly. That's why we all together organize that Masal rally. Not organized today here, in each and every corner of the Tripura, our TWF, that is Tipra Women's Federation, is conducting this Masal rally, really. On advice of our Bubagra, our Maharaja Pradhu Kishore Manikka, I would like to thank our Maharaja. Because of him, we are here today. And lastly, I want to just give message to the government. I think it has been taking place, the incident in Manipur for 2.5 or more than 2 months. The incident has been taken place there. Still, the government is keeping quiet. The India government also could not do anything. Just people are dying there. Lots of people, innocent people, 2-3 girls have been raped in open ground by the mob in presence of police personnel. How can it be? I want to ask the government, they should take necessary action. Those who have raped those 3 girls, they should be given death sentence according to the Indian Constitution. So, lastly, I want to appeal government to take necessary action, please. Otherwise, our people from Manipur, they are going to die. They have been dying day by day. How can it be stopped? You know better than us. That's why this is my last and final message. And I would like to thank everyone. Jotonang hambay rinamu sugo karon oma haikyang Twidu Bazar tinin hai gathering ang nugyako ang belaiga tong thogo haisi khato dumin tongu tamani himala chini Manipuri bororok oro jaga je kuno chini meitei সম্প্রদায় bai kuki সম্প্রদায় ni bisingo clash angkha danga nangkha bulai kha tok laikha haifano kaisa jatino kaisa dusina ang musugia oro government si dai karon government si chaya government jodi sotik somoyo jodi borok necessary step na khangkhe tini Manipur ma hai incident ngia जों गाहाम के सराय लुकुरक साइमानो गोबां मं बरक थै थांखा बोरै मांनि रम फेरगै ओपन ग्राउंड रेप खाइमनि परेसि बनो पेरेड खारो का पब्लिक बे हाव हाव के बुसकांगो अम हाय तो आनि फर्स्ट टाइम आं नुगमानि हायसि आनि जे सिमानि मते उसुंसारो अम हाय इन्सिडेंट कुनु जागांगिया खना मणिपुर अम हाय खाना tamo India government tamo asok tong sering Manipur government tamo ni bagai asok tong sering ang sanamo so N Biren Singh bo he is not eligible for holding the post chief minister post hol khailini boni eligibility kroi bo jogyota kroi bo tini istofari na nangmani phiaba bo tamuria saimia sarkar ni tama sorojontro cholai tong saimia tini belai khena jole mani bisingo bokha tongtheni bisingo chung tini rally ma khayo haifana ang hambai mario jara tini kosto khaigei chini Twidu amchai chini 8ta panchayat ni je borok rok chini lukurok khagnang mayagnang rok okra chakra bura birisuk trai khonai jotto no tini o jaga tini ni mosal rally go participate khaibani bagai borono kha kufur bai paiple hambai maya paro next time ungkhangke chung tei bo mosai kotor klai mosal ready hunre je kuno chung protest rally khnai langkhangke tei bo borok kobangke chung lamok nai phiaba tini je kha kamani slai onek kobang borok o jaga ngi apan more than 600-700 borok tini participate khaikana chini aboni bagi borna hambai tei kok salia paithago bubagrana hambai maya pharo bubagrani dagi mengbai chung tini chini Tripura Women's Federation by songsajak nirok banner nukhana sara Tripura go each and every corner of the state yang saitongo jaga go tabo om haike mosaleli khlaijak tongo agor lasta bolongke centrally kaisa khaijak tongo otor ma khaijak tongo jengbo thui tong ya haisi jengbo justice nayo om haike chini hasaka go chini gandar ni state do khoroksa borok thui tong nai te khoroksa angkeblor kai tong nai ba khoroksa sia tola borok no jodi tola siklogei buthar tong ka bo seng soigei maya jeng ja sob somoi justice nayo jeng sob somoi favor ni samung tangnani bagoi jeng ready tongo kabangma charge khamka jeng saimano more than 200 charges have been burned sok rijak bai ka jotto no abo bo deso jeng tong khaba ama belai khana ang aboni bagoi no strongly condemn khaigo je government tabok Manipur chalok tongmani je government tongnai borona ang strongly condemn khayo tei kok salia asano kok sagai jotono hambai chini bubagra ayog lokthang chini Tripura mo thayog lokthang chini Tripura Women's Federation je TWF ayog lokthang chini YTF ayog lokthang chini Diprasa sengor jaga je Bangali ok sotongnai jeng jotono ro kaham kurenge tini participate khlaigai tini ni mosal rally no successful khaimaka aboni bagai jotono tewaisa hambaya phagai ani kok kisisa kok naram no jaga no muthaka hambai